Looking for the best coffee maker for home but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 3 best coffee maker for home based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 3. Number 3. Cuisinart DCC 3200 NAS Perfectemp Coffee Maker, 14-cup Programmable with glass carafe. If you're the type of person who always has a mug of coffee within arm's reach, you'll love this coffee maker's ability to deliver a professional-grade cup every time. It's all thanks to its commercial-style permanent filter, which gives you that perfect balance of flavor and aroma. But what really sets it apart is the brew strength control, letting you switch between regular and bold as easily as you change your mind. And don't even get me started on the adjustable keep warm temperature control. It's the little things like that which take your coffee experience to the next level. The gold tone finish is a nice touch too, adding a bit of style to your kitchen. Number 2. Ninja CE251 Coffee Programmable Brewer Fresh Brew Coffee Maker. Imagine waking up to the smell of freshly brewed coffee, perfectly balanced and never bitter, every single morning. That's exactly what this coffee maker delivers, thanks to its 2 clever brew styles, classic and rich, each with adjustable strength to suit your taste. Whether you're a small batch aficionado or a host with a crowd to impress, the 12-cup glass carafe has got you covered. But what really sets it apart is the hotter brewing technology, which ensures every cup is infused with the perfect amount of flavor and heat. And if you're one of those night owls who likes to sleep in, the 24-hour programmable delay brew is a total game changer. Just set it up the night before and wake up to a piping hot cup. For anyone who takes their coffee seriously, this little detail makes all the difference. Overall, it's a standout performer that's sure to please even the pickiest coffee connoisseur. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER 12-cup digital coffee maker 12-cup drip coffee maker. Coffee lovers who live for that first cup in the morning will love this coffee maker, perfect for anyone who's always on the go or just needs a little extra motivation to get moving. The sneaker cup feature is a total game changer. It lets you pour your first cup before the brewing process is even complete, no more messy drips or waiting around for the pot to finish. The sturdy Duralife glass carafe is a breeze to handle and has measurement markings so you can get the perfect amount every time. You can see exactly how much water you're using through the ease-of-view window, and the digital controls with rubberized buttons make it a cinch to program and navigate. With quick-touch programming and 24-hour auto brew, you can set it to brew whenever you want, and the 2-hour auto shutoff gives you peace of mind. It's all about making your morning routine a little bit easier, and this coffee maker delivers. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these picks are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.